If you're looking to gamify your affiliate program with badges and rewards, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to implement a simple system that can skyrocket affiliate engagement and make your program way more fun. Stick around because at the end, I'll share a special bonus that'll help you get started with the software we're using to gamify everything, exclusively for you. Let's dive right in. First, badges. These are a great way to recognize achievements. You can create badges for milestones like signing up, completing their first sale, hitting a certain revenue target, or even bringing in the most referrals. The key here is to make these badges feel exclusive and earned, not just handed out for showing up. This will keep affiliates motivated and feeling like they're progressing. Next, rewards. Once you've got badges, you need rewards to back them up. These can range from simple things like cash bonuses or gift cards to bigger incentives like exclusive access to webinars, products, or even trips. The idea is to give affiliates something they actually want in exchange for hitting those milestones. It's about giving them a reason to keep pushing harder. The cool part is how you can make everything more engaging by combining badges and rewards. For example, once affiliates earn a badge, they unlock a reward. This creates a sense of progression, like a level up system in a game, which increases engagement and drives better results for your program. You can do all of this with our software. This software allows you to easily set up a system where affiliates can earn badges and rewards automatically based on their performance. It integrates with your existing affiliate platform, so you don't have to worry about complex setups. Plus, you get detailed analytics on how well your gamification strategies are working, so you can adjust your rewards or thresholds to maximize impact. Now here's a quick pro tip. Don't overcomplicate the badge system. Make sure it's clear and achievable, so affiliates aren't overwhelmed. Keep the rewards relevant to your audience. If they're in a high-ticket market, offering premium rewards might be a better strategy. On the other hand, smaller incentives can work just as well for a less expensive program. To sum it up, you want to gamify your affiliate program with badges and rewards that recognize milestones and drive motivation. Set clear achievement goals, offer relevant rewards, and track everything with software that makes the process simple and efficient. If you're looking to get started quickly, take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in this video, which you can find in the description below. The key takeaway here, gamifying your affiliate program isn't just about offering rewards, it's about creating a system that continuously motivates and excites affiliates to push for higher results. Set up badges and rewards that feel earned and give them a real reason to stay engaged. And again, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description to start implementing this strategy right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.